enjoying very beautiful and very exotic celebration of D.K. Tussal Saab's daughter, sweet daughter, great daughter, obedient daughter, Divya Tussal, whom I tell very lovingly Jharna Dedi of course. And she's getting married. Today is the engagement day with Vidyut Langarji, and a very handsome and a very beautiful Rajasthani mustached boy, young boy, energetic boy, and very important and very handsome of course. And then I just want to just after taking you around, having you a panoramic view of all the people around. I just want to take show you the beautiful and exotic and very relishing items of the Kashmiri Pandit cuisine. तो मैंने मरे हाँ एसी को कर ले यार तुम उसमें वो कैमरा वैमरा छोड़ दे यार अभी कर लो एसी चालू कर लो. And then you are having at the beginning you are having that salad because you don't just after having the starters for the last 1 or 2 hours during the lunch time you cannot just stuff yourself with a lot of this salads is okay, it's very brief small, and then you are having the yogurt, the curd, and then you are having of course the steamed rice, and then this is the mixed vegetable pulao, and there's something going on also here, very nice that Nikki Didi is also there, and then of course Rita ji, and then the Vaisab is also there, they're staying there, and then of course I just want to just show you your face. Then you are having this paneer, yellow paneer. This is cheese, and then there's the red paneer, and then this is a very special. You can just find out this is chok mangun, and then you are having this again. This is prepared in curd. This is nadru special, and then of course this is loki. You know, the long that curd gourd, and it's again prepared very specially by Kashmiri Pandits in call that curd. And then you are having a very special ingredient that is pilo yaar koi baat nahi rakh lo, enjoy kar lo. And then you are having this very special of course this damalu. You just see that there are so many people, they want to have this special, capture it in the video list, because every time you don't get the Kashmiri Pandit this cuisine. So you are again having, I'll just show you that this is again this beautiful Kashmiri Rajma, and then this was so far that you have seen that it was a vegetarian layout, vegetarian site, and of course you know that people are relishing, people are enjoying. यहाँ पर हमारा जो ये non-veg जो ऊपर है, this sides are non-vegetarian. The complete, have a look and then enjoy yourself, sir. And then after the breads, you have this the drumsticks, the chicken, and of course the Kashmiri Pandits, they love the non-vegetarian also. For time memorial in Kashmir also they have been relishing all these things. इसको यार गरम रख लो, गरम कर लो यार, गरम के लिए कर लो भैया, हाँ ठंडा नहीं होना चाहिए भैया, हालांकि गरम है. And then you are having this again prepared in meat, lamb meat, and then it has been prepared in the curd, and then you are having this red one. You just see that it's so relishing, so beautiful, so nice, and so exotic, and so stomach, you know, that craves for it. This is known as Rogan Josh. Rogan Josh the best. I just want to take a photograph also of Rogan Josh. I want to take a photograph of the yakhni also. This is meat item, and of course this is everywhere you can find it. Not a problem. And then the girl is coming, the girl of the day, and then Jharna Dedi, Divya Tussal, she has come prepared. Now you are having this yellow. This is prepared purely in. ये क्या है, कलिया है ना, ये कलिया जी है. And then of course I just want to take a photograph of the kaliya also. This is kaliya is also there. And then you are having this mats. Just see how beautiful it is, how beautiful it is prepared. Mats का कीमा है. And then this is your tabak naat. क्या है tabak? ये है ना, kavarga. This is kavarga. You know, just these people they have become experts now. आपका शुभ नाम क्या है? गिरीश जी है. उनका क्या नाम है? These boys are very important. They have learned the Kashmiri cuisine now. And चिंटू कुमार जी है. Oh, very nice. आपने बहुत अच्छा बनाया. तो मेरे is please मेरे यहाँ पर कुछ है. Enjoy yourself, sir. है. Pane, whatever you know. Oh, Tanu Rani is also there. She is also eating something. वो कहती कुणाल जी कहती छो. अच्छा कुणाल जी साथ. निशु का निशु नाथ बड़ा अच्छा. ओके. उधर से वेजिटेरियन, यहाँ से नॉन वेजिटेरियन. So that you can just decide accordingly what all you want to have. At the ये कौन सा हलवा है आपका? मूंग दाल का हलवा. Oh, of course, it's very interesting and it's very beautiful and exotic. So this is also there, and then the kabarga is also there. And then of course the beautiful ice cream, vanilla ice cream. And then of course in the last second you need to have the coffee. So you have seen that this is a typical simple Kashmiri food items. They have been prepared and to the best of the things. And then of course I just want to wind up with Gashaji. Of course he's enjoying, he's smiling always. And then of course you can just see that this is terrific, this is beautiful, this is straight from the Central Asian countries. It has come down to Kashmir, and let's just see the shape. This is special, and of course it's known as this is Samavar the best, and Samavar of course everybody likes it, and it you cannot find it everywhere. And of course Shamiji is also there, and my beautiful wife is also there. So I wind up here.